Someone who knows a lot about that kind of planning is the former Senior Vice President of the Insurance Board of Canada, Paul Kovacs, now heads the Institute for Catastrophic Loss Reduction. We talked earlier today. This really raises the question of how prepared Canadian cities are for these kinds of events. Has this changed your outlook on that?
There's two parts of being prepared. One is preparing to respond. I think in Calgary we've had a wonderful response and it shows some of the best that happens in Canada. The other is preparing to prevent future risks. We didn't do very well here. We knew how to do better.
We in fact had a report after the 2005 flood that was sort of put in a drawer. Does that go on? Do we have kind of solutions that we don't implement, even if they aren't perfect, even if they wouldn't have prevented all of the damage?
There's a real window of opportunity. For about a year right after an event, with a strong political will and public consensus, we should act. And if you've got a blueprint or what to do and you can act on it quickly, like within a year or so, there's a much better chance of this making a positive impact.
We certainly are expecting more extreme weather. Is it accurate to say that aging infrastructure plus this kind of changes in our microclimate are going to mean there are more events like this?
The experience in Canada over the last 40 years shows that we're having more and larger events, and looking ahead, that's what we're expecting. It's being driven by having infrastructure that's not doing the job it used to do, and the climate's changing.
And so what's the best solution here? We know there's a big pool of money set aside in a recovery fund. Is there the money and the will to actually make the change we need to prevent future disasters?
Still a tough question. Is the money and the will? The blueprint for action, what was laid out after the 2005 event, was a very good outline of what needs to be done. It was comprehensive. It wasn't singular. It covered a whole host of different issues: mapping, defense, finances, outreach. So it's a good plan, and putting that into place would be an excellent response to the 2013 flood.
And should other cities be looking at similar kinds of preparedness?
Each community has different kinds of vulnerabilities. It might not be flood. In some areas it might be tornadoes or wildfire. But to anticipate, to look ahead, would be an excellent plan. There's unfortunately too many communities who are failing to do that right now, and only a few that we're talking about, such as Manitoba, that have really made this a priority and chosen to act aggressively on this.
Later in the program,